What's the meaning of anthologize? Anthologize. 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 Anthologize.
Anthologize means to collect and compile a selection of works, typically literary or artistic, into an anthology or collection. The result is a curated body of work that reflects the editor's or collector's point of view or theme. By anthologizing, one creates a unified and cohesive collection that can serve an educational, entertainment or informative purpose. Whether in literature, film, art, or music, anthologies allow us to appreciate and contextualize a body of work, and provide a platform for the pieces to be enjoyed individually or together as a whole.